Hello, welcome to World of Warcraft. This is a class reminder clip showing you what we did in the beginners class at the Kenn Centre on the 8th of November. We did a first move, a man spin, a comb and a Wurlitzer. If you need teaching information for that, there are links in the description below, and this clip will show you how everything went together. So we started left to right for the first move, and it went 7 and 8. Our back, in, twist, twist, turn, face, return for the man spin. We went through and caught right for the comb, return, comb, 2 hands for the Wurlitzer, flat, prepare, return spin and back. And that was the beginner class. Hope you find that useful. We'll be back next time with another Modern Jive clip. Like, subscribe and hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation is something nice to practice to on the end, and as always, thank you for watching World of Warcraft.
I hope you have enjoyed learning some Modern Jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance Modern Jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.